Old Clothing Upcycling Tutorials by Miarti. Cut open the inseam of the upper pants section, lay the piece side seam up, trim away the crotch seam allowances, and align the edges. Stitch the new side seams on the sewing machine. Serge the seam allowances, unpick the waistband fold under, and turn the piece inside out. Finish the bottom raw edge of the skirt on a serger, fold it under, and stitch on the sewing machine. Position the cut-off pants leg, 40 centimeters long, against the skirt waistband to draft the bodice. Measure 5 centimeters from the side and 23 centimeters at the center, then taper the corners to shape the front bodice piece. Place the finished piece onto the second pants leg, trace around it with tailor's chalk, and cut out the back bodice piece. Serge the armhole raw edges, fold them under, and stitch. Then sew the top edge of the bodice with a fold under to form a drawstring casing. Place the front and back pieces right sides together. Stitch the side seams with a 1 centimeter seam allowance and finish the edges on a serger. Cut 2 fabric strips, 31 by 6 centimeters, from the scraps to make the straps. Fold them lengthwise, right sides together, stitch, and turn right side out. Press the straps with an iron, fold the open raw edges inward, and stitch one end closed. Measure 7 centimeters out from the center back and attach the straps to the interior side. Thread the center drawstring casing of the bodice and both straps through a metal ring, 1 by 1, to assemble the knot detail. Mark the alignment line, stitch the bodice to the skirt along the waistline, and serge the waistband seam allowance. Showcase the finished summer dress on a model.